Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, Pakistan aims smash SLBM for Indian aircraft carrier. In a recent development, the Pakistan Navy announced the successful test of its indigenously developed ship-launched ballistic missile named the Smash SLBM or P-282. The missile reportedly boasts a range of 350 km, that is somewhere around 217 miles, and is capable of precision strikes on both land and sea targets. Equipped with advanced navigation system and maneuverability features, the Smash SLBM also offers anti-access area denial capabilities, potentially posing a threat to carrier groups and other strategic assets in the region. Next, Pakistan unveils 4.5 Gen PFX fighter program at Ideas 2024. At the recently concluded Ideas 2024 Defense Exhibition, Pakistan Air Force officials revealed details of their ambitious PFX, that is Pakistan Fighter Program, a project aimed at developing an indigenous 4.5 plus generation fighter aircraft. The program reflects Pakistan's intent to bolster its air combat capabilities while reducing reliance on imported platforms. The PFX aircraft is envisioned as a twin-engine fighter jet with advanced design features, including canards for advanced maneuverability and aerodynamic performance, and will come with advanced sensors like infrared search and track system and a locally developed SR radar system. Next, evaluating air-to-air refueling capability for C-295 aircraft. The Indian Air Force is exploring the possibility of converting its newly acquired Airbus C-295 transport aircraft into tactical air-to-air refueling platform by integrating a roll-on, roll-off AAR kit. The C-295 could become a cost-effective multi-role asset capable of refueling both helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft during day and night operation. Next, why IAF needs fast-track UCAVs and loyal wingman drones. The Indian Air Force is on the cusp of a critical capability challenge with its combat squadron strength projected to dip below the sanctioned 42 squadron strength to under 30 squadrons in the coming years. This shortfall arises amidst a growing threat environment and delayed acquisition programs for manned combat aircraft. In this context, the IAF urgently needs to fast-track the development and induction of highly autonomous unmanned combat aerial vehicles and cost-effective loyal wingman drones to bolster its combat potential and address capability gaps. Next, first batch of Pinaka MRBL systems is dispatched to Armenia. In a significant milestone for India's defense experts, the first batch of Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher was dispatched to Armenia early this month. This delivery is part of a contract signed between the two nations, marking a new chapter in their defense partnership and showcasing India's growing prowess in the global arms market. Next, Army to recruit domain experts for cyber warfare and information warfare. The Indian Army is gearing up to bolster its capabilities in the digital age by recruiting domain experts in cyber warfare, information technology, and information warfare. This move is in response to the evolving nature of conflict where technology plays a crucial role. Lieutenant General Rakesh Kapoor, Deputy Chief of Information Systems and Coordination, highlighted the transformative impact of modern technology on warfare. He emphasized the need for specialized personnel to address the challenges posed by the cyber threat and the strategic use of information and disinformation. Thank you.